The history of NASA is a remarkable journey that encompasses significant achievements in space exploration, scientific discovery, and technological innovation. Here's a detailed overview. Formation: NASA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration was established on July 29, 1958, by the National Aeronautics and Space Act. It was created in response to the Soviet Union's successful launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, in 1957, marking the beginning of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Mercury Program 1958 to 1963. NASA's first manned spaceflight program, Project Mercury, aimed to put a human into orbit around the Earth. The program achieved its goal on February 20, 1962, when astronaut John Glenn became the first American to orbit the Earth aboard the spacecraft Friendship 7. Gemini Program 1961 to 1966. Following the Mercury program, NASA launched Project Gemini, which focused on developing spaceflight techniques necessary for the Apollo program, such as spacewalking, rendezvous, and docking maneuvers. Gemini missions also paved the way for longer duration flights and helped NASA gain experience in space operations. Apollo Program 1961 to 1972. The Apollo program was NASA's ambitious initiative to land humans on the Moon and return them safely to Earth. The program's crowning achievement came on July 20, 1969, when Apollo 11 astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. Skylab 1973 to 1979. Skylab was NASA's first space station, launched into orbit in 1973. It served as a laboratory for scientific research conducted by astronauts and contributed valuable data to various fields, including astronomy, Earth observation, and biomedical research. Space Shuttle Program 1981 to 2011. NASA's Space Shuttle program revolutionized spaceflight by creating reusable spacecraft capable of launching, servicing satellites, conducting scientific experiments, and deploying payloads into orbit. The program's fleet of orbiters included Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour. Hubble Space Telescope 1990 present. Launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided breathtaking images and invaluable scientific data, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe and contributing to numerous breakthroughs in astronomy. International Space Station 1998 present. NASA collaborated with international partners, including Russia, Japan, Canada, and European countries, to build and operate the International Space Station (ISS) since its launch in 1998. The ISS has served as a microgravity laboratory for scientific research and international cooperation in space. Mars exploration. NASA has conducted a series of robotic missions to explore Mars, including rovers like Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. These missions have provided valuable data on the Martian surface, atmosphere, and potential habitability. Future exploration. NASA continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, with ambitious plans for future missions, including the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s and establish a sustainable presence there. Additionally, NASA is working on plans for crewed missions to Mars in the coming decades. Throughout its history, NASA has demonstrated a commitment to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, fostering international cooperation, and inspiring future generations to explore and understand the cosmos.